Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on and off saving save power battery on OPPO mobile phone settings. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on this search bar and search for the save power. Okay, just click on the save power and it has came here. Just move on save power battery. Then you can see here is the power saving mode and here is the super power saving mode. So from here you can select any save power. So here it says save power. So let's see, just click on save power and click on done, and this battery will be safe. Okay, you just need to click on this save power and click on done. Okay, you can do it like that. And here is the power saving mode. You can, if you want to on, just click on this icon, it will be activate, and if you want to off, you can off. You can do the same thing on super power saving mode. Okay, and here is the app battery management, and if you want to manage the app battery, you can manage from here. Okay, see, you can manage it from here. Okay, by clicking on this icons. Okay, just allow foreground, background, auto launch. Okay, just click back, and here is the battery usage. If you want to check the battery usage, you can check from here. This one is the yesterday, this one is the 2 days ago. Okay, you can check it like that. Okay, and here is the more battery settings. If you want to know about the battery settings, here is the more battery settings. Okay, so let's check for the more battery settings. I'll tell you. This one is the high performance mode, this one is the optimized battery use, and this one is the sleep standby optimization. This one is very important, that it says when you sleep you're charging your mobile phone, right? So if you turn on this one, it will help to avoid the overcharging at night. Okay, the speed control. Okay, when you turn on this one, you can on if you want to turn on, and when if you want to off, you can off it. Okay, this one is the show battery percentage on status bar. This is the status bar show battery percentage. If you want to off, see it has been hide. If you want to on, you can on it like that. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.